Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's crucial for your overall health, a natural balm for cleansing the liver and blood vessels. The liver plays a vital role in detoxifying our bodies, processing nutrients, and regulating metabolism. Meanwhile, healthy blood vessels are essential for proper circulation, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach every part of your body. When these systems are compromised, it can lead to a host of health issues, making it essential to prioritize their well-being. In this video, you can expect to learn about 4 powerful ingredients that make up this natural cleansing powerhouse. Each ingredient has been carefully selected for its unique properties that support liver function and promote healthy blood circulation. We'll break down how these ingredients work together to enhance your body's natural detoxification processes. But that's not all. We'll also highlight the numerous benefits of natural cleansing. By incorporating these ingredients into your routine, you can experience increased energy levels, improved digestion, and a stronger immune system. Plus, natural cleansing can help reduce inflammation and promote clearer skin, giving you that healthy glow we all desire. So if you're ready to take charge of your health and learn how to harness the power of nature for a cleaner, healthier body, stick around. Let's explore the natural balm for cleansing the liver and blood vessels together. Ingredient 1. Milk thistle. Let's kick things off by discussing one of the most renowned ingredients for liver health, milk thistle. This powerful herb has been used for centuries, primarily for its remarkable ability to support liver detoxification. Milk thistle contains a compound called silymarin, which is known to enhance the liver's natural detox processes. By promoting the production of new liver cells, it helps to repair damage caused by toxins, alcohol, and other harmful substances. In addition to its detoxifying benefits, milk thistle is packed with antioxidant properties. These antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting liver cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which can lead to chronic liver diseases. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, milk thistle helps maintain the overall health of your liver, ensuring it functions optimally. Now, you might be wondering how to incorporate milk thistle into your diet. One of the easiest ways is through supplements, which are widely available in capsule or tincture form. However, if you prefer a more natural approach, you can also find milk thistle tea or powder. Adding the powder to smoothies or juices is a delicious way to reap its benefits. Just be sure to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. In summary, milk thistle is a fantastic ally for liver health, offering detoxification support and cellular protection. So, consider adding this powerhouse herb to your wellness routine. Ingredient 2. Turmeric. Now let's explore another incredible ingredient known for its cleansing properties, turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice is not just a staple in many kitchens, it's also packed with health benefits, primarily due to its active compound, curcumin. Curcumin is celebrated for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the liver. Chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues, so incorporating turmeric into your diet can be a proactive step toward maintaining overall wellness. When it comes to liver function, turmeric shines as a natural detoxifier. It stimulates bile production, which is essential for breaking down fats and eliminating toxins from the body. By enhancing liver function, turmeric supports the organ's ability to process and remove harmful substances, making it a fantastic addition to any cleansing regimen. So, how can you incorporate turmeric into your meals or as a supplement? One of the simplest ways is to add it to your cooking. You can sprinkle it into soups, stews, or curries for a warm, earthy flavor. Turmeric also works well in smoothies or golden milk, a delicious blend of milk and spices. If you prefer a more concentrated form, consider taking turmeric supplements, which are available in capsules or powders. Just remember to pair it with black pepper, as it enhances curcumin absorption significantly. In summary, turmeric is a powerhouse ingredient that supports liver health and detoxification while offering anti-inflammatory benefits. Adding it to your diet can be a flavorful and healthful choice. Ingredient 3. Garlic. Next up, let's highlight the incredible role of garlic in cleansing the blood vessels. This humble bulb is not only a flavorful addition to many dishes, but also a powerful ally for cardiovascular health. One of the key benefits of garlic is its ability to help reduce cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that regular consumption of garlic can lower LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, while promoting higher levels of HDL cholesterol, or good cholesterol. This balance is crucial for maintaining healthy blood vessels and improving overall circulation. In addition to its cholesterol-lowering effects, garlic boasts impressive antibacterial and antiviral properties. This means that it can help bolster your immune system, making it easier for your body to fend off infections and illnesses. A strong immune system is essential for overall health, and incorporating garlic into your diet can provide that extra boost. So how can you easily add garlic to your everyday recipes? The options are endless. You can start by mincing fresh garlic and adding it to sautéed vegetables, pasta dishes, or marinades for meats. Roasting garlic is another delicious way to enjoy its flavor. Simply wrap whole cloves in foil and bake until soft for a sweet caramelized treat. If you're looking for a quick option, garlic powder can be sprinkled into soups, stews, or salad dressings. In summary, garlic is a fantastic ingredient for cleansing blood vessels, reducing cholesterol, and enhancing overall health. So don't hesitate to make it a staple in your kitchen. Ingredient 4: beetroot. Finally, let's delve into the remarkable benefits of beetroot for both liver and blood vessel health. This vibrant root vegetable is not only visually appealing, but also packed with nutrients that support detoxification and improve blood flow. Beetroot contains compounds called betalains, which are known to enhance the liver's detoxification processes. By promoting the elimination of toxins, beetroot helps keep your liver functioning optimally, making it an excellent addition to any cleansing regimen. Moreover, beetroot is rich in nitrates, which can help dilate blood vessels and improve circulation. This increased blood flow is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients throughout the body, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. Regular consumption of beetroot can lead to lower blood pressure and improved stamina, making it a favorite among athletes and health enthusiasts alike. What's more, beetroot boasts a rich nutrient profile, including essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, potassium, and folate. These nutrients play vital roles in maintaining overall health, supporting everything from immune function to red blood cell production. So how can you creatively enjoy beetroot in your meals or juices? One delicious way is to roast it and toss it into salads for a sweet, earthy flavor. You can also blend raw beetroot into smoothies for a vibrant color and added nutrients. If you're feeling adventurous, try making beetroot juice by juicing it with apples and ginger for a refreshing drink. In summary, beetroot is a powerhouse ingredient that supports liver detoxification and enhances blood vessel health. Incorporating it into your diet can be both tasty and beneficial. As we wrap up this video, let's take a moment to recap the 4 powerful ingredients we've discussed and their incredible benefits for liver and blood vessel health. First, we explored milk thistle, known for its detoxification support and antioxidant properties that protect liver cells. Next, we highlighted turmeric, which contains curcumin to reduce inflammation and enhance liver function. Then, we delved into garlic, a fantastic ingredient for lowering cholesterol and improving circulation, thanks to its antibacterial and antiviral properties. Finally, we discussed beetroot, a nutrient-rich vegetable that supports detoxification and boosts blood flow, making it a great ally for cardiovascular health. Remember to always consult your health specialist before changing your diet or lifestyle. Now that you're aware of these amazing ingredients, we encourage you to consider incorporating them into your daily diet. Whether it's adding milk thistle supplements, enjoying a turmeric latte, cooking with garlic, or savoring a beetroot salad, these simple changes can have a significant impact on your overall health. If you found this video helpful and informative, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might benefit from learning about these natural ingredients. Together, we can promote better health and wellness for everyone. And be sure to check out our useful links below. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.